Okay, so because nga of his 3 cancers. So after talking to the person, the flyer doesn't have any name, or kung meron mang name yung flyer, my sister talked to the parang property manager of the condo that she's staying, and she said, I saw this flyer in the taxi, I want to know more about the product. And then that person said, oh, you know, I have a friend who is doing that, who is doing really. So let me introduce that person to you. So she was introduced to that person, they met, and then after explaining the product to her, she purchased 2 bottles. Why 2 bottles? Because syempre we are, yung sister ko was more of the price, because we've been spending so much already for the health ng dad namin. No? So she said, let's try the 2 bottles. So she sent the 2 bottles over to the Philippines. And then, but before we started our father doon sa supplement, he already had 3 sessions of radiation therapy. And he was 80 years old.
8 years old? 80.
So, by the way, yung cancer na papa ko was, at first was prostate cancer, 6 years. After the 6 years, naging lung cancer. Okay. After 6 months, brain cancer. So, let us do due diligence, no, ladies and gentlemen, about our health conditions, because we believe na sinabi ng doctor that, oh, prostate cancer, yan yung pinakamabait na cancer. So don't worry. Pero cancer pa rin siya, di ba? So we started yung therapy niya as the doctor's advice, like injection every 3 months. So fast forward nga, my dad had the radiation therapy, 3 sessions already. Sabi kasi ng doctor, because when my dad knew that he was only given a few weeks to live, we went to seek a doctor in Cardinal Santos. And yun nga yung sinabi niya, oh, kaya mo to. Only 10 sessions of radiation therapy, and after that, you will be okay. So, at 80 years old. So my dad said, because Doc, I still feel alive, I still want to live. So who are we to stop yung dad namin in doing the radiation therapy? Diba? If one person wants to live, because tinatagalan natin siya ng freedom if we don't give in to what he wants. So, on the 4th session, because that's everyday session for the 10 days, on the 4th session, I was asking him pa, let's go. Sabi niya, ayoko na. Because his bad cells and good cells na-apektuhan niya. So, nahina na din talaga siya. So, when he went to the doctor, naglalakad, very strong. On the 4th day, bumagsak na yung kanyang immune system. So, a lot of bouts doon sa kanyang health condition. Meron siyang day na nag-pass out siya, and for how many hours? I think 8 to 10 hours, he was unconscious. And the doctor said, if he will not wake up, na siya, ma-ICU, or what is your plan? So, sinabi namin, because I am the only one staying in Metro Manila. My brother is in Cavite, my sister is in Singapore, my mom, you decide. So, I signed all the, ano ba yun? Waiver. No NDR ba yun? Or something. So, do not resuscitate, I have the dinner. I signed it. Why? Because I asked the doctor, Doc, will it help if lalagyan mo siya ng anything, equipment, will it still help? Or it will just make his condition worse? Sabi nila, it's our SOP. So, I took the courage because I want to give him his still quality of life. So before going out of the hospital to buy his needs, no, our mentor from Singapore told us that you open the oral stem cell and then put it under his tongue, yung liquid. Because, ladies and gentlemen, our oral stem cell is not made up of powdered ingredients. It's of liquid, no? So, nilagyan namin under his tongue. And then we went on. And then when my husband came back to bring his supplies, my dad was already awake. Awake and singing. But of course, syempre, ang ano naman doon is, even if he was awake, he was able to leave the hospital. We were discharged after that. And then on and off the hospital because we didn't listen in. Why? Why did I say we didn't listen? Because our mentor said, let him take more than the required, which is 4 capsules a day. So, ikaw, di ba, you're thinking, are you sure? Is it true that he should take more than the suggested therapy of 4 capsules in the first month? So, but maybe 2 weeks talaga, brain cancer, it's the of his life. It's the end of his life. But what we were happy about was that his life was extended to 6 months with no pain. We started giving him din naman like 5, 9 capsules a day. And what's the most important? Seeing your loved one in pain. What's the most important thing na ayaw mong mangyari sa kanya because he is in pain, di ba? So, hindi namin nakita yun sa dad namin. And for that, thank you, Riway. Thank you, sir. Hindi niyo kasi kaya bilhin yun eh. Hindi niyo kaya bilhin because the peace that he is having, no? Kasi when you are sick, the worst feeling na nawawala sa'yo or the worst thing that is lost is your freedom. Diba? You don't know, you can't say to the person or yung taga-alaga mo na nauuhaw ako. Nangangati yung likod ko pakikamot. Diba? So yun yung pinaka-nakakatakot ko. So I have a question for all of you. What is the most common human fear? To answer. Tama. Number 1 is, like 3 kasi siya when I researched because I thought may isa lang. So yun pala is fear of death. Another one is fear of public speaking, which ginagawa ko ngayon. Kaya pala takot ako kanina. And the last one is fear of being broke. Are you afraid of being broke? Yes. Lahat naman tayo. That's why we're working so hard to provide for our families. And now, with what's happening around us, there is war, there is uncertainty, there is inflation. What do you think yung sagot or yung solution for all of this? Why are you here today? So may I know who the first-timers are? First-timers? Sige po, wag mo kayong mahiya. Okay, for the first-timers, I'd like to welcome you. And you are here not because, just because. You are here for a reason. So I am asking you, with the uncertain times that we are experiencing right now, the diesel, the gasoline is at 80 pesos or more. Inflation, what is inflation? Inflation is, yes, the purchasing power of your currency is hindi na lumiliit. It's because the prices of the goods are increasing. So, may I put this question to you? All of us are saving, no? We are saving in the bank. Mabu ba? Nagsisave kayo sa bangko. Hindi? So, saan niyo po sinisave yung cash nyo? Are you saving cash, gold, or what? Sino po mga economists here? Meron po ba? Okay, so you are not saving or tinataguan nyo lang ako? Okay, so if you are saving cash in inflation, if you are reading books, ano yung dapat daw natin gagawin? Because your 50,000 or 100,000 today, yung worth niyan is less than kung ano yung bibilhin mo. Scary, di ba? Because your 5,000 pesos budgeted for your grocery, kung nakakabili ka pa nun ng other wants mo, hindi lang yung needs, tomorrow or after a week, yung 5,000 pesos mo, baka kung ano na lang yung makita mo doon. Am I right? Yes. So are you doing something? Are you foreseeing this, that it will happen? Okay, so how much is the interest rate sa bangko nowadays? Ah? 4%. Ano ha? Savings account, not time deposit.
75.
Okay, hindi